Tired of dealing with wrinkled curtains that make your home look unkempt? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, High-Life Handheld Steamer. Let's kick things off with the High-Life Steamer for clothes, which retails for just $24.98. What caught my eye is its portable design and impressive 700-watt power. If you want a reliable steamer that's easy to travel with, this is worth a serious look. This handheld steamer generates strong, penetrating steam, making it perfect for various fabrics like chiffon, silk, and cotton. With a 240 milliliter water tank, you get up to 15 minutes of continuous steam, which means you can tackle those stubborn wrinkles without constant refills. Plus, the 9-foot power cord gives you plenty of reach, so you won't be wrestling with the plug while steaming those high curtains. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ability to steam multiple fabrics means you can keep not just your curtains, but also your clothes and upholstery looking crisp without needing to drag out the iron. So far, over 20,000 people have bought this in the past month, and it's clear why. Now, some people complained about the fact that it only works with 110 to 120V outlets, which can be an issue if you travel internationally. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it at home or in North America, this isn't a deal breaker. Just be cautious if you plan to take it abroad. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, lightweight option that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you need something that can handle heavy upholstery, as it's more suited for lighter fabrics. Overall, for under $25, it's a solid value. Now, if the limited voltage of the High-Life bothered you, the next product might just take care of that concern. Product number 2, the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam, priced at $59.98. This one really stood out because of its powerful 1875W output and unique features. If you want a steamer that feels more like an iron, this is a great choice. The turbo steam power means it heats up in just 40 seconds and provides up to 20 minutes of continuous steam. The 7.3-ounce water tank is a nice size, allowing you to steam multiple items without constant refilling. It even comes with a quilted aluminum plate that works like an iron, ensuring a fresh pressed look. What's great is the 3-in-1 attachment set. A silicone band for pulling fabric taut, a spacer for delicate fabrics, and a bristle brush that helps steam penetrate heavier materials. This versatility means you can use it for everything from your favorite dress to thick curtains without worry. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit heavy for prolonged use. Here's the thing though, if you're just steaming occasionally, it shouldn't be a problem. But if you have a lot of curtains to tackle, you might feel the weight after a while. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful steamer that can handle different fabric types with ease. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for quick touch-ups. It's a bit pricier, but the performance justifies the cost for more frequent use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want simplicity and efficiency. Product number 3, High-Life Portable Handheld Steamer. Coming in next is another High-Life model, this time priced at $24.56. I found it interesting that this was a slightly different version, but still packed with features. If you're looking for something compact and effective, this might catch your eye. This steamer, like its sibling, has a 240 milliliter tank that provides 15 minutes of continuous steaming. It also operates at 700 watts and is lightweight, making it a breeze to carry around. The 8.5-foot cord is an added convenience, allowing you to steam your curtains without feeling tethered. It can tackle a variety of fabrics and is easy to use. Here's why this matters. Being portable and easy to operate means you can quickly freshen up your curtains or clothes without a lot of hassle. Whether you're at home or on the go, it's perfect for keeping everything looking sharp. Now, some reviews pointed out that the water tank could be better designed for easy filling. Here's the thing. While it's not the most convenient, once you get the hang of it, it isn't a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you prioritize portability and ease of use. Skip this one if you're steaming heavier curtains regularly, as it may not have the power for extreme cases. For around $25, it's a great budget-friendly option. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, the next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, OG Hom Handheld Steamer. Next on the list is the OG Hom Steamer for clothes, priced at $39.99. I was impressed with its build quality and features. If you want a steamer that combines performance with durability, you should definitely consider this one. With a 240 milliliter water capacity, it also offers about 15 minutes of continuous steam. The unique stainless steel heating panel provides longevity that's hard to find in many other steamers. It operates at 700 watts with a 9-foot cord for easy maneuvering. What's nice is that it's safe for all fabrics, so you can use it on delicate items without fear. Here's why this matters. The stainless steel panel not only ensures better steaming, but also prevents rust and oxidation, so it can last you a long time without needing a replacement. Many users praised its lightweight design, making it easy to handle while removing wrinkles. Some users have noted that it doesn't work as well on heavily wrinkled fabrics. Here's the thing. If you're mainly steaming lighter fabrics or doing quick touch-ups, it's more than sufficient. But for those really stubborn wrinkles, you might have to go over them a couple of times. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a well-built steamer that's safe for delicate fabrics. Skip this one if you regularly steam heavy materials like thick curtains, as you may be disappointed. It's a solid price for the quality you get. Alright, that was a fantastic option. But if you travel often and want something even more portable, the next product has some exciting features. Product number 5, Nyaso Portable Travel Steamer. Priced at $27.79, what caught my attention here is its versatility and rapid heating feature. If you need something that's perfect for travel while still performing well, this might be your best bet. This steamer heats up in just 10 seconds, reaching a consistent 320 degrees Fahrenheit, which is impressive for a travel model. With a compact design and a 150 milliliter water tank, it's designed for easy packing and storage. Plus, it offers 3 steam levels, so you can adjust according to the fabric type, a feature that can be really handy on the go. Here's why this matters. The quick heat-up time means less waiting and more steaming, which is crucial when you're in a hurry. The dual functionality as both a steamer and iron means you get 2 appliances in one, making it an excellent choice for travel. Some users expressed disappointment in the water tank capacity, feeling it's a bit small for bigger jobs. Here's the thing though, if you're on the road doing quick touch-ups, this is an ideal size. It's not meant for heavy-duty scheming. This is perfect for you if you travel a lot and want a compact, efficient solution for wrinkles. Skip this one if you need something for home use with a larger tank, as it might not meet your needs. It's a great value for all the features it offers.
If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam because it combines power and versatility, making it a top performer for all types of fabrics. I'd suggest avoiding the High Life if you're looking for something to use internationally due to its voltage limitations. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.